Good morning, dear students. Today we start to discuss about the last part of lesson 16, our food. Okay. First of all, we discuss about sweets. A variety of sweets are made in different parts of the country. Sweets like Rasagullas of West Bengal are popular throughout the world. Some other sweets are gulab jamun, borfi, kheer, laddu, gojok, peda, and balusai. Some special sweets are made in festive seasons. In our country, a variety of sweets, different types of sweets are made in different parts or different regions. Okay. Sweets like Rasagullas of West Bengal are very popular throughout the world. Okay. There was a conflict between the two states, Odisha and West Bengal, about the Rasagulla. Odisha claimed or demanded that it was first made by them and they offered it at the Puri Jagannath temple. In 2015, Odisha first demanded that Rasagolla was first made in their state. But West Bengal demanded that it was first made in West Bengal. Okay. According to the color, texture, taste, juice content, and method of manufacturing, it was decided that Rasagolla was first made in the state West Bengal. Okay. And West Bengal got the GI tag. That means geographical indications tag. Okay. That means we know that Rasagolla was first made in West Bengal. And the Rasagolla of West Bengal is very popular throughout the world. Except Rasagolla, we have other some sweets such as gulab jamun, borfi, kheer, laddu, gojok, peda, and balusai. Okay. In our country, we celebrate different types of festivals and fairs throughout the year. Okay. And some special sweets are made in festive season. Understand? Okay. We celebrate different types of festivals and fairs throughout the year. And some special sweets are made in different festive seasons and fairs seasons. Understand? Okay. Next, food habits. We eat different types of food. Some people eat meat, fish, and eggs. They are called non-vegetarians. People who eat only food grains, pulses, vegetables, and fruits are called vegetarians. In our country, different types of food items are made in different parts. Okay. Some people eat fish, meat, and eggs. These people are called or known as non-vegetarians. The people who eat only food grains, pulses, vegetables, and fruits are known as vegetarians. Okay. Two types of food eaters in our country. One is non-vegetarians and another is vegetarians. Some people eat fish, meat, and eggs. They are called non-vegetarians. That means non-vegetarians people eat meat, fish, and eggs. Okay. And the vegetarians people, the people who eat only food grains, pulses, fruits, and vegetables are called vegetarians. That means vegetarians people eat only food grains, pulses, fruits, and vegetables. Okay. We eat different types of food items in different regions or states of our country. But the people of the people living in every state or regions of our country eat some special food items. Okay. The people living in every state and or region of our country eat some special items. Some of them are Rogan Josh, Yakni, Gustava. These are the food items, special food items of the Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. मक्के की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग. मक्के की रोटी एंड सरसों का साग are the special food item of the people of Punjab. Dal bati churma are the special food item of the people Rajasthan. Rice and fish curry are the special food item of the state West Bengal. Dhokla and thepla are the special food item of Gujarat. Puran poli, bora pav, pav bhaji, bhel puri are the special food item of Maharashtra. Idli, dosa, sambar, upama, rasam are the special food item of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Okay. Next, transporting food grains. We know that different types of food items are grown in different regions. So, how do they reach those regions where they are not grown? They reach there through a good transport system. Different food items are grown in different parts or regions of our country. All the food items are not grown in all parts of our country or throughout our country. But we all get all the food items in all parts of our country. So how do they reach those regions where they are not grown? The answer is they reach there through a good transport system. Okay? The things which are transported from one place to another in trucks, trains, ships, and aeroplanes. Okay. We get all the things which are not grown in our areas, our regions. We get all the things from other regions through trains, trucks, ships, and aeroplanes. That means the things are transported from one place to another in trucks, trains, ships, and aeroplanes. Okay, understand? Thank you to all.